Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. Linares. Today's objective is that you will understand that you can compare fractions using strip diagrams. Okay. So the first thing we must do is compare this fraction. 2/5 is less than, greater than, or equal to 5/8. So the first thing I like to do is I like to draw me a big square, just like this. Okay. And I'm going to split this square into halves, just like that. So they know they're all the same size. I'm going to take the 2/5, put it on the top, and then the 5/8 on the bottom. Okay, on the top, I'm going to split this into 5 equal parts. So I'm going to try my best to get this into 5 equal parts. Okay, and then since it's 2 out of 5, I'm going to shade 2 out of 5. On the bottom, I'm going to divide this into 8 equal parts. So I'm gonna go in half first. So I have 2 halves. Then I'm gonna split those in half so that I have 4 equal parts. Then I'm gonna split those halves in halves. So then I'd have 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one I'm gonna shade 5. All right. I got 5 equal parts, and I can tell that 5/8 is greater than 2/5. So 5/8 is greater than 2/5. All right. Let's try another fraction. Let's try 4/6 is less than, greater than, equal to 2/3. Again, I'll make my big square, and we're gonna turn this square into a strip diagram. And then I just split it in half. Okay. The first part, I'm going to take the first fraction, which is 4/6. Second part, I'm going to take the 2/3. Okay. So I'm going to split the top one into 6 equal parts. Well, I know that I can split the strip into thirds so that I can get me 6 parts. I can split those in half, and now I have 6 equal parts. I'm going to take the numerator and I'm going to shade 4. Okay. Now I'm going to split the thirds, the bottom fraction into thirds, so 3 equal parts. There it is. Now I'm going to shade 2 out of 3. And as you can see, boys and girls, these are equal. So this fraction is equal using a strip diagram. Wow, isn't that so easy? It's so easy. All right. Let's try one more. Let's say I have a fraction that is 3/10 is less than, equal to the 2/4. Okay. Remember, create that big square or rectangle. I'm sorry. Big rectangle. Split that rectangle in half. 3/10. We're going to put 3/10 on top versus 2/4. We're going to see which one is greater. And you might think this one's greater because it has 10. Just think of a cake. Would you want a cake that has more pieces or less pieces? Which one would have the bigger chunk? All right. Okay, let's cut this one in half first so that we can split this into 10 parts. So we're going to split this in half. Okay. And then we're going to split this one into 5s. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a little bit off, but you'll see the difference right now. And then this next one, we're going to split into 4ths. So I'm going to split it in half. That half is going to get split in half, and now I have 4 equal parts. Okay. So now I take the numerator from the top fraction, which is 3 out of 10. So I'm going to shade 3 out of 10. So remember, this is the cake. You're getting 3 out of 10. In this second fraction, you have the numerator 2/4. So you're going to take 2 out of 4 parts. It looks like that's the best cake to get, the 2/4. So now we know that 2/4 is greater than 3/10. Okay, so 3/10 is less than 2/4. All right, boys and girls, that is how you compare fractions using strip diagrams. Good luck on your activity. Stay fantastic today, tomorrow, and forever.